Lesson 2. The Three of Wands. Expansion, Vision, Opportunity, Forward Movement. Welcome to Lesson 2 of the Complete Tarot Journey. In this lesson, we'll explore the inspiring energy of the Three of Wands. This card is about looking beyond where you are today, embracing new opportunities, and trusting that the seeds you've planted are beginning to grow. The Three of Wands encourages you to think bigger, expand your horizons, and have confidence in the journey ahead. Card Overview. Suit, Wands, Fire. Number 3. Element, Fire. Astrological Association, Sun in Aries. Keywords: expansion, progress, vision, opportunity, confidence, exploration, long-term success, leadership, adventure, growth. Understanding the Suit of Wands. The Suit of Wands represents energy in motion. It governs passion, creativity, inspiration, ambition, purpose, achievement, personal power. Whenever wands dominate a reading, you're being called to take action, pursue your dreams, and trust your inner fire. The symbolism of the Three of Wands. Every detail on this card tells a story of confidence, possibility, and expansion. The figure looking toward the horizon. The central figure stands on high ground, gazing out over the sea. This represents vision, planning ahead, confidence in the future, looking beyond current circumstances. Unlike the Two of Wands, where choices are still being considered, the Three of Wands shows that a decision has already been made. Now it's time to watch your efforts begin to unfold. The Three Wands. The three upright wands symbolize stability, growth, commitment, continued progress. The third wand represents moving beyond planning into purposeful action. The ships. The ships sailing across the water are one of the card's most powerful symbols. They represent opportunities arriving, investments paying off, exploration, trade, expansion, dreams becoming reality. Some ships may be arriving, while others are leaving. The message is clear. Life is moving forward. The ocean. Water represents the emotional and intuitive realm. The calm sea suggests emotional balance while pursuing long-term goals. Elevated position. Standing above the landscape symbolizes perspective. The card encourages you to look beyond today's obstacles and focus on the bigger picture. Upright meaning. When upright, the Three of Wands often represents progress after hard work, business expansion, new opportunities, international connections, travel, entrepreneurship, long-term planning, success beginning to unfold, confidence in your path. This card reminds you that growth often requires patience. The work has been done. Now trust the process. Reversed meaning. When reversed, the energy may indicate delays, limited vision, fear of expansion, missed opportunities, frustration, poor planning, doubting yourself, playing too small. The reversed Three of Wands asks, what opportunities are you overlooking because you're afraid to move forward? Love meaning. In love readings, the Three of Wands may suggest a relationship growing stronger, planning a future together, long-distance relationships, shared dreams, expanding emotional connection. Reversed, it may indicate waiting too long, uncertainty about the future, or differing life goals. Career meaning. This is one of the strongest career cards in the tarot. It often represents business growth, promotions, new clients, leadership, international opportunities, expanding your skills, creative success, career advancement. The Three of Wands reminds you that success doesn't happen overnight, but your efforts are beginning to bear fruit. Spiritual meaning. Spiritually, the Three of Wands invites you to trust your soul's journey. Growth often happens beyond your comfort zone. It teaches faith in divine timing, expanding consciousness, trusting intuition, becoming the creator of your future, looking beyond fear. Numerology. The number 3 symbolizes creativity, expansion, growth, collaboration, manifestation. Within the suit of wands, the 3 transforms inspiration into forward momentum. Ideas begin becoming reality. How to interpret the 3 of wands. Instead of memorizing keywords, ask yourself, what future am I building? Have I already planted the seeds? What opportunities are appearing? Am I thinking too small? What is calling me beyond my comfort zone? Where should I trust the process? These questions help reveal the deeper message behind the card. Reading tips and techniques. 1. Look at the surrounding cards. The 3 of Wands takes on additional meaning depending on its companions. For example, with the Sun, bright success and exciting opportunities ahead. With the World, international travel, completion, or global expansion. With the Fool, a new adventure begins. With the Tower, unexpected changes redirect your path toward greater growth. 2. Pay attention to the question. The card adapts to the context of the reading. Love, building a future together. Career, business expansion and professional growth. Spiritual, trusting the soul's journey. Personal growth, stepping confidently into your next chapter. 3. Focus on long-term vision. The 3 of Wands is less about immediate rewards and more about sustained growth. Encourage the querent to think beyond today's circumstances. 4. Trust your intuition. Notice which symbol draws your attention. Is it the ships? The horizon? The figure standing confidently? Your intuitive response often reveals the message most relevant to the reading. Reflection exercise. Spend a few minutes journaling on these questions. What dream am I ready to pursue? Where have I been playing too small? What opportunities are waiting for me if I trust myself? How can I expand my life while remaining true to my values? Key takeaways. The 3 of Wands is a card of expansion, progress, and vision. It encourages you to trust the work you've already done. New opportunities often appear when you step beyond your comfort zone. Reversed, it reminds you not to let fear limit your potential. The card invites you to think long-term and trust that your efforts are leading somewhere meaningful. Learn through music. To deepen your understanding of the 3 of Wands, listen to 3 of Wands by Synthesized Souls. This original tarot-inspired song captures the spirit of exploration, vision, confidence, and the excitement of embracing new horizons. As you listen, pay attention to how the music reflects the feeling of standing at the edge of possibility, trusting your journey, and believing that what you've set in motion is already unfolding. Lesson Companion. 3 of Wands by Synthesized Souls. Homework. Listen to the song at least twice while looking at the 3 of Wands card. Then, write down 3 ways you can expand your own life, whether through a new opportunity, a creative project, a relationship, or a personal goal. Reflect on how the card and the music together inspire you to move forward with confidence.